Hello everyone, I am G. Danesh Arvind and I have designed an IoT platform for monitoring people ailing from mental disorders, Alzheimer's, old age, etc. So this is the design of my project. It is actually a wristband that has many features such as measuring of outer temperature and humidity, sending text message to the band which would be displayed in this LCD screen, determining if any hazardous gases such as LPG, methane, etc. are present using MQT gas sensor, finding out if the person is standing. This would be useful for people to supervise their loved ones suffering from mental issues. For measuring the temperature and humidity, I have used the DHT11 sensor. For detecting if the person is standing or not, I have included a piezo element. So here is the MQT gas sensor. So now I am going to let the LPG gas out. So as we can see, the data gets updated in the front end. From the DHT11, we obtain the temperature around the person as well as the humidity. So both the data obtained from the DHT11 are shown in the form of a chart. There are 4 different time periods. So both the temperature and the humidity's values are shown in the same chart. To send a message to our loved ones, we can click this view button. Now we have to type the message in the text box. Now we can to send this message, we have to click on the send button. As we can see, the message is now sent to the person and is displayed on the LCD screen. The data obtained from piezo element which is transferred to this part. So here, if there is a pressure or strain on the piezo element, the value over here would be standing, and if there is no pressure or strain, then the value over here would be standing. So as we all can see, I am applying pressure or strain on the piezo element. So due to this, the value would have changed by now. So we can see that the value gets updated in the front end part when we apply a pressure on the piezo element.